Okay, let's go ahead and talk about putting fuel in here. So I've already put my information in. We're gonna fill it up to about $8. You at least want to have a little gas in here. So you always want to look around because people can walk up on you, and safety's no accident. So I always teach my students this. So you look around, obviously it's cold. You want to take your time, and you never know when you could get stranded. So you want to be careful, you want to be patient. You always want to watch cars coming in and be safe. So I'm gonna go ahead and top it off at about $11. And then we'll go from there. You never want to overfill it. And then you put it back up on the hook, and then you close the door. And then you just want to look around. Also, this is a good time to get all the snow and ice off of your vehicle, get all that crap off, make sure you're good. Clean your headlights so you can see. That is super important. So you want to clean those headlights. You can see all this stuff on here, right? Clean those headlights. And then you want to clean the tail lights. That's one thing that you have to do so people can see. Okay, so I got that. Walking around the vehicle, always walk around and look. I'm gonna go ahead and get in. And then you're inside your vehicle. Start this thing up, push to start, it's nice. Check, almost a little bit low, half a tank, that's awesome, that's fine. And then let's talk about pulling out. So you always wanna look around. You don't wanna hit the gas real hard. Why? You'll just spin out and slide into a wall. So take your time, go ahead and go around. You're looking, checking traffic. We are the secondary road. We have to yield to oncoming traffic. So let's review. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I did a little tutorial about how you put gasoline in the vehicle. You need to wipe off your headlights, wipe off your tail lights. I need you to give this a thumbs up, and hopefully you feel this is of value. Please subscribe to my channel. God bless you. I will be talking to you guys later. Thank you.